Hello, welcome back. Today we will guess the sea animals. Let's guess this. It starts with S and ends with fish. Starfish. Guess this one. It starts with S and ends with horse. Seahorse. This starts with S and ends with turtle. Sea turtle. Guess this one. It starts with C and ends with B. Crab. Guess this now. It starts with O and ends with pus. Octopus. This starts with J and ends with fish. Jellyfish. Let's guess this one. Starts with blue and W. This is blue whale. Let's now guess this one. The spiky creature. Sea urchin. Let's guess this one. Starts with L and ends with star. Lobster. Let's guess this last one. It starts with D, ends with fin. Dolphin. These are all our hidden sea animals. Thank you. Bye.